Hello, returning students. My name is Brian Doak. I'm the Vice President for George Fox Digital and a professor at George Fox since 2011. As most of you know, at George Fox, we offer our general education Cornerstone programming in both online format through George Fox Digital and also in person, your choice. And those online semesters have, in the past, run for 16 weeks right alongside the traditional semesters, fall and spring. So whether you were doing traditional in-person Cornerstone or online, it was a 16-week semester, right? And then we had an 8-week summer online session where we offer all of the GE as well. Okay, so that's what we've been doing. I have big news for you, and I think it's good news. Beginning in fall of 2025, and then continuing on in spring of 26, beginning in fall of 25, we're going to be offering the online options for Cornerstone, not in 16-week terms anymore at all. Rather, we're going to be offering online GE Cornerstone in 2 back-to-back 8-week sessions within each semester. So we have to get used to new language, right? We have the semester, but then within it we have these 2 sessions back-to-back, 8 weeks. That will be our online term. So you'll actually have now 4 chances to take GFD Cornerstone throughout the traditional fall and spring semesters. Session 1 in the fall, then session 2 in the fall, session 1 in the spring, then session 2 in the spring, and then summer. 5 total, I guess that is actually, including the summer online. Let me tell you 3 things about how this will work. First, the 8-week online GFD Cornerstone is the same credit value, same learning outcomes, same block tuition, same grade organization, same production value. Mostly same Z's on all of this. In the fall, session 1 starts on the first day of school, but it ends in mid-October around the midterm. Then for those who take the second session, that second 8-week term session, that begins in mid-October around midterm and it ends at the normal final exam time. And then same thing in the spring, right? Back to back. The courses are a little accelerated though to fit this 8-week format, so you have to be ready for that. Though they only last for half the semester, so half as long, maybe something like close to twice as intense. So you have to think about the pros and cons there. The big point is that you have to be ready for your course to get going, full speed, first day of school, if you're in that first session, right? If you're in the second session though, it's a little confusing. It's like you're there on the first day of school and you're like, where's my class? Okay, but keep your eye on the calendar. Your course doesn't start on the first day. It starts exactly halfway through the semester. Where would you find those starting times? The starting times are all specified on the George Fox Classes site through the registrar. We'll put a link to that down below so you can see, you can click on that. We're working with a system where we think the dates will be highlighted in purple even if that's still working when you look. So the idea is to really draw attention to when your 8-week GFD online class starts or stops. Second, we've been teaching in this 8-week online format for general education in the summer online since 2010 actually. So we didn't just invent this the other day. I've been personally overseeing the 8-week format in the summer online since 2015. I have to say this, it works really well for students. 8 weeks is a good length for an online class. For those who choose online, in the overwhelming majority of cases that we've measured, it's a good learning experience. For schools of our type, like George Fox, we think we're the best at doing this, humbly. This offers huge flexibility to you, as you know, and our Be Known promise is real online and in person. We're going to keep working to make that true. You're going to see that through the care we've taken to create video content for you in these 8-week courses, which have been refreshed and redesigned in many cases. And you're going to see it in the way your instructor interacts with you, okay? Third, we've had a major data project going on for the past 5 years, comparing every online version of a course, whether Cornerstone or not, with every in-person version of that same course, every section. The grades students get, who passes and who fails, the evaluation results, and other assessment data and learning outcome data. Here's what we found. In almost every case, in the majority of cases, online and in person are basically equivalent for students in terms of the outcomes. It's an issue though of schedule and of flexibility and what a student prefers or what is available at a given time. In some cases, students do seem to get better outcomes in certain courses online because of their needs. In other cases, the course just seems to work better in person, or it varies by student. If there was an online course that was underperforming or didn't work in that format, we would change it or we wouldn't be doing it. It's that simple. Continuous improvement is our goal here. Finally, if you have any questions, contact your CAP coach and they'll get you sorted out. Thanks so much.